As you dey pray, they say, God bless me, God uplift me. Ask yourself, if God bless me with this kind money what they ask for, I go still dey humble. You go remember your humble background. You go remember those people where you then start. Hello everyone, hope all of you are fine. I welcome on to our channel. Now me, on a sister, on a friend, on a girl, BB Breeder Concept. If you dey watch this video and you never subscribe to our channel, wait till you dey wait for. Make you try subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell, make you for know when we dey upload new videos. And for now we don't subscribe, I say I thank all of you. And on now we don't still be say on ever watch some videos, maybe on I can come across this one. Wanna go check many interesting topics done day. Then you try join our membership to support us for what we do, and God will bless you as you support us. If God bless you, you go dey humble. You will still dey humble when God bless you. You go be a good giver. So today now I want to make the video talk about the issue. Now I say, if God bless you, you go still dey humble, because it's easy to say yes, I go dey humble. But when pepper don't rest, sometimes they confuse brain. Things where they take common before, you can't be things where they say, I mean, they talk to like this, now you don't know your class, you don't know things like that, but they come up. But it's not good. Now may God not bless some people. God don't see and say, if I bless this person, he go there out of hand, it go be problem to her. You understand? You get some people where if God bless them with enough wealth, when I mean riches, they will just die on time because they match line anyhow. Some go they pray. I bet more than not verse because of the noise. You know, say me a mother of children, so sometimes or that they hear some noise for background like the children, but that one will say we will not talk the thing we want to talk. More than listen to the words where they talk, more than bone the noise really for background. So the thing why they talk is say, some people go pray, say God not bless them. You don't they pray for years, say God, I want riches, I want to be great, I want to be that, and you know they come true. Sometimes God no one bless you because you know say the way you go dey pompous, the way where you go handle the money, it go turn you local, it go make be like say mental dey your head, where you know can't get respect again for your elders, even get respect for a human being like you. Some people not sabi handle weight. Some people not sabi handle promotion. Some people not sabi handle riches. Now it can be say this question dey for you. Maybe as you dey pray, they say God bless me, God uplift me. Ask yourself, if God bless me with this kind money what they ask for, I go still dey humble. You go remember your humble background. You go remember those people where you then start. You go be a giver. When I mean a giver, not be those one where now let's say person work for you, you they give. No. Some people will come because they get money, they will forget their partner. If na man, he go forget him wife, go they find side chicks. If na woman, he go come they override in husband. You get some when they get money, hey, they don't become boss of everybody. Even if they do some pastors too, when money don't enter their hand, their members don't be like this thing. No, only the ones who get class, they will they flow it. If they do, many people, this money, that's why Bible talk and say, money is the root of all evil. Money good though, but some people not sabi handle it. If they turn some people brain. So now maybe they ask, say, if God bless you, you go fit, they humble as you did before. And some people, native doctor or pastor, he go tell you say, do Sarah, may you get money. He go come do some kind thing for you, tell you say, when you get the money, may you come. The Sarah what they thought like he go say, may you start to, may you go give Chris person money, or may you do something, make people chop, say na sacrifice, all those things. Or he go tell you say, may you try dash person money, make money for come for you. Now law of nature, you don't need any native doctor or pastor to tell you that. Now law of nature, you be Christian or you not be Christian. When you give, you go receive. Now so it be. All those ones na job where they'll come tell you say come thank us later for what we do. Say na our prayer maker. Give and it shall be given unto you. So the secret why this humbleness good, make you be a good giver too when you get. Now, not to make your pocket run dry. A giver never lack. They'll say sometimes you go say na stingy people now they make and pass safe. People stingy, they say sometimes now then they make this thing. Waiting money day for if you not spend that. Some people don't they so they go stingy for their self. To their self. That one a topic for another day. But wait till they talk, you say, may you try the humble when God bless you. Not use them. They intimidate people. They oppress people. No. God bless you for a reason. God, the Bible don't talk and say, there must be poor among us. Everybody know they rich. So when you get that opportunity to be rich, use it to bless others. Use it to uplift others. One rich person among 10 people, you know good. You go 4. But when you lift at least 4 people or 3 people, even if one again, or don't be 2. 2 go up, that one go uplift another person. That's what it be. No use that they oppress people. They humble. Because all these things, we go still die living. You rich or you poor, now make this song, Plantation Boys, those days, they sing. If that was the thing that the money could buy, the rich would have lived and the poor would die. You see, I say, death, they come for anybody. You not check whether you rich or you poor. And you know they feel bribe them when they reach the time. So, just stay humble, enjoy your life when prosperity come. Not look down on people. Because you don't know that person, who he will be tomorrow. You don't know where he will save you. You don't know what he will do for you. It dey easy when you dey poor. When you dey poor, you will say, if God bless me, I will be a giver. I will be a humble person. I no go do this. But when it don't come, sometimes your ego will come rise. You go set. According to Mercy Johnson, he say you go burn yash. No. They humble. Nothing change. Now the same skin. Now the same person you be, now you be. You say class don't change, level don't change. Who you know before, you know come the greeter again. You just when you dey pass people, now you the one wind down whisk cream, come loud music, make them for here say you dey pass. Or you come the party, you want oppress people, you come set, who go greet you again, you go they do like this, like say nobody reach you. No, my dear, not so. Think when you come set finish, you come fall. How you go be? Now those people you ain't go meet again, because people like you now you go still follow. Those ones we still remain rich, they no come mind you, and you know if you go back to those people where they down. We not pray to go up, come down. But when we reach up, may we not remove the ladder where we take climb. May we leave and more other people still come climb. Because by the time when we leave the ladder where we take climb, go there. Now so the person where they up of our own go still leave ladder, may we still take climb. But when you remove your ladder and other people for not come climb reach where you did, the one where they up of you go remove in ladder. So now the thing I get to talk, may we try they humble when blessing come. Because I know say this year just be like say now wahala, just this year just disturb many things, but next year na great year. So may on are ready for the blessing where they come. You see where they watch me? Ready for the blessing where they come. But remember to be humble. Remember to be a good giver when that blessing come. So may you subscribe. If you never subscribe, click the notification bell. May you know when we upload videos. Support our membership. Join our group. May we for the get more content like this. God bless you. I see you in my next video.